today we're tracking down a hidden waterfall. I've only ever seen it in a couple of blog posts, but supposedly it's just hidden off the main trail. So let's see if we can find it. Now I do have a general idea of where we're headed today. I also have a lot of blind optimism. That should be enough, right? Worst case scenario, we get lost in the forest. Best case, we find something pretty wild. Let's see if the forest wants to share its secrets today. All right, guys, so we've definitely come to the right place. We just have to follow the water, I would assume. Now, I thought all the snow was gone. Apparently, didn't want to leave here. Now, there was a billboard saying which ways to go, but I like the adventure of just following the water and seeing what happens. Now, you guys couldn't see it, but I just slid on my butt all the way down here and almost took a bath. Let's not do that again. I might go get my mitts. It is freezing out here. I had to go back for my mitts. It's almost easier walking beside the stairs than these stairs. So the trail really narrows down here. It's almost like we're entering something that's being forgotten. So we 100% lost the trail. I've just been kind of following the sound of water. Of course, there's no signal out here to figure out where we are. But that's all part of the adventure. On the road again. Home again. Now, I most definitely hear water over this ridge. It's got to be somewhere close. Now, there's just something so good about chasing waterfalls. Getting out here, moving. Takes us away from the digital world that we're so obsessed with and caught up in, me, myself too. Is that a diaper in a tree? Oh no, it's a hat. Path to Mordor. Whew, I thought I was in shape before I started this trek. Oh. Hear that, guys? I hear water. We're getting close. Knock me down and call me Susan. I think we found it. Yes, sir. Now let's not slide into the waterfall. Gee willikers, look at this thing. Well, we did it, guys. We found the waterfall. I knew we could do it. Absolutely beautiful. I don't want to get much closer. You can see the ground, what we're working with. I am not stepping on that, and it's also ice. Next time, we'll go take a bath. Absolutely freezing. Whew. Well, we did it, guys. Found the waterfall. Mission accomplished. Although I think it was a lot less about the hike, more about finding something real, you know? That's what it's all about, guys. Finding something in yourself while chasing moments like this. If you enjoyed that expedition, guys, make sure to give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.